Tough environments demand tough equipment, and the toughest contactless linear position sensors come from Turck. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Turck's Q25L linear sensors have shock and vibration resistance up to 200 Gs, and their inductive operating principle makes them insensitive to magnetic fields. They are ideal for challenging applications with high shock loads, such as metal and woodworking. The rugged devices are IP67 rated and can be used in ambient temperatures from -25 to +75 degrees Celsius. Now, these sensors maintain their impressive sampling rate of 5 kHz over sensor lengths between 100 millimeters and 2 meters. Position error is minimized and a constant reliable signal output is achieved. Precision is also guaranteed with the integration of a 16-bit DA converter, ensuring highly accurate measurements every single time. You'll benefit from simplified commissioning and maintenance, as the Q25L sensors can be integrated in Profinet systems via Turck's simple IO-Link device integration software. Tough, fast and reliable, whether it's closed-loop control tasks or position measurement in presses and punching machines. The Turck Q25L linear sensors set the benchmark for industrial linear measurement. More information, simple, visit turck.com.au or give them a ring, 1300 132 566. And thanks for watching.